Hey guys, so before we get into the video, I decided to talk about this breath mint from Verter Energy, especially since I'm going to be showing you guys a healthy meal item. So I want to tell you guys about a supplement that can boost your energy but also freshen your breath all in one. And the most important thing about this breath mint is it is sugar free, so you don't even have to think about the calories. And 2 breath mints equals 1 cup of coffee, guys. Yes, 1 cup of coffee. So if you are like myself who really drinks coffee, then you definitely need to take these breath mints. I have been using it for the past 2 weeks and I have fallen in love. So let's get into this healthy meal item. So I'm going to be showing you how I make my healthy pizza with just 3 simple ingredients. So let's get into this. So the first ingredient that I'm going to be using is 100% whole wheat flat bread. Many use this for wraps, but I prefer to use it for my pizza, and it's only 100 calories. So the next ingredient is pizza sauce by Nature's Promise, which is organic. Next step is to just start coating that pizza sauce onto your flatbread of pizza. Now we're going to put on the cheese. I'm using a reduced fat 4-cheese Mexican blend. You can use whatever cheese of your choice. I'm just showing you guys an alternative. I also highly recommend the Weight Watchers Mexican blend. That is also a really good alternative for your cheese. But like I said, it is highly up to you. To put my pizza in my broiler because this seems to work a little bit better for this healthier pizza versus my oven, and it's faster. And now that it's out of the oven, it is looking like a pizza, but you don't even realize that you have healthy options up on this bad boy. And if you want to put veggies, pepperoni, anything of your choice, you can, but for me, I'm just going to keep it simple as possible, and my kids love this. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you check out more videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new, and leave any feedback. Bye guys.